From a lessons learned and best practices perspective, I think one, as the easy lift and shift stuff gets checked off everybody's list, I think it becomes even more important to complete your engineering analysis around the portfolio to really understand what your modernization plan needs to be for the harder applications, right? So I think it becomes that deeper technology dive around the portfolio becomes even more important. And then to the points that were raised by Brett and I think Brian both, the need for speed, right? As programs are going to come faster and faster, really set up that cloud migration factory concept and really streamline the onboarding process and the migration process and the adoption, for those programs. Make it easy as possible, but address the things that that they need to address, like security and like architecture changes and things like that. Align your core IT processes. We see many agencies forget about change management and configuration management processes that end up being bottlenecks, right? So really think about how you streamline those and how you can incorporate the automation and the value of cloud into those processes. Otherwise, things can get stopped pretty quickly. Leverage a center of excellence model for the organizational change. It still tends to be the hardest part. It was kind of good to hear folks talking about that aspect, but it really needs to be streamlined. And then finally, as a former line of business guy, I have to point out that there's an underlying challenge around the budgeting process that gets really exacerbated with cloud. Is transition to a consumption-based budgeting model for your IT programs and the IT components, and this is a part that's kind of foreign for most CIOs.
It does get interesting.